I have come up with a new liner technique. It is so exciting. So if you want to learn this new liner technique, just keep watching. It's Mandy. For those of you who are just now coming by to see the video, thank you and welcome. Subscribe before you leave and become part of the SelfTaught family. So how are my SelfTaughts doing? I hope everybody's well, and I hope everybody is recovering and recuperating from the holidays. I hate to say it because I love the holidays. My favorite time of year is Christmas, New Year's Eve, but I am a little bit glad to say that it is over, so we could move on. We are in the year 2018 now. There is so much more room for new techniques, new tips, new looks, and I cannot wait to jump in it. So guys, I've got a tutorial for y'all today showing y'all this look. Before we get into it, I want to tell you exactly how I done it. The funny thing is, I done it on accident. I messed up my eyeliner one day and I was like, wow, you know what? That looks really good. So I have been wearing this around for the last couple of weeks and I absolutely love it. It is a little subtle change in the liner, but it's just such a beautiful change. I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous and I love wearing it, and I think it really looks good on anybody's eye shape. This will work for absolutely. It don't matter if you got hooded eyes or not. You can pull it off. So guys, let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. All right, everybody, you ready to get started? Well, first of all, you could choose any kind of liner that you want. I usually use a liquid liner, but if you are more comfortable with a gel liner, whichever kind of liner that you want to use, go ahead and use. And I just love this technique. So you're going to start off just doing your regular wing, like however you do yours. I have to shape mine a little bit funny because I do have hooded eyes, but however you're used to doing your wings, that's what you go ahead and you start doing. And then this is where it gets fun. Whenever you start to go to your inner corner to start your liner going out toward your winged liner is where you're going to kind of skip the line right there and go right over top of the line that is in the middle. If you can see right here. And of course my liner, guys, had to start drying up on me. So that is why it looks a little lumpy right there. So I would prefer that you make sure that your liner is a good one before you start what I did right here, because I did have to end up fixing it and it took me a little bit to do it. But you want to get that soft flick right at the end of that line is what I was going for. So I did have to kind of work on that a little bit, but just make sure you got a good liner, or like I said, whatever you're comfortable using, whether it be a gel liner, liquid liner, or any kind like that. But you just want that soft flick. And this is just a little subtle look, but I just think it come out so beautiful. I love the way it looks. And I don't think it could have been a more perfect time for us to find a new technique to this liner. It just looks so futuristic to me. I mean, I just love this look. And like I said, it is subtle, but you can see it when your eyes are open, when your eyes are closed, and it's just beautiful to me. I love it. But I have thought also of extending that line all the way out to follow the rest of the wing liner. I think that would also be beautiful. So you could try it any way that you want to, tweak it however you want to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing this new liner look. Like I said, don't y'all love it? I absolutely love it. And just that little subtle change in it is just beautiful. And I love that I found it. So 2018, we're going to start seeing new trends come out. And it's just so exciting to see what the next looks are going to be. And I just cannot wait to see them. And guys, I hope this was easy enough for y'all to do. And it should be, since it was found out by accident. But guys, I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope y'all give this look a try. Try it out, and I would love to see what you come up with. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and become part of the SelfTaught family. And I love y'all, and I'll see you next video. Bye.